Greetings guys, how you guys are doing? Alright, in this video today we're going to talk about the most important thing concerning trading. And this is the most important, whether you feel like coming up with a strategy, whether you feel like creating or making money consistently, whether you feel like reading a bunch of books. No, the most important thing when it comes to trading is the way you think, your mindset. Your mindset plays the most important part in trading. Discipline, all right? You need to control how you think, how you see the markets. Control what's going on, all right? You're in control. When you look at that market, you're looking at these candlesticks going up and down and sideways in consolidation. All it is a bunch of mixed emotions that's going on in the market. You have to understand how to properly set your mental up so that you can be able to trade properly, okay? So this is what I'm gonna say. Do not start trading if you're arguing with someone, if you're in a conflict with somebody, if you got so much stress on your mind and you're trying to revenge trade, or let's just say you got a bill that's coming up, and because you have a light bill, whatever the case may be, whatever kind of bill you have, right? Do not trade when you just got that letter in the mail saying that you're about to go into delinquent mode, or you're about to be, your light's about to be turned off. Don't trade under them kind of circumstances, because what happens is it messes with your mental and your mind. Only thing you're thinking about is, I have to make this money. And that's not the way you go into trading. You go into trading from a perspective of just understanding that it's a bunch of emotions on that chart. There's a bunch of people that's thinking a certain way on that chart. Your job is to be able to identify that. How do you identify that? You go into technical analysis. All right, and in the other videos, you're gonna see what technical analysis is. That's marking up these charts. And then you're gonna go into the fundamentals. What is fundamentals? Fundamentals is watching CNBC, looking at Bloomberg, looking at what's going on with the world, right? The economy, right? Watching the news and understanding what's really going on with the market. I'm not talking about Channel 7 News with the foolishness. I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is the economy news, all right? What oil is doing, what gold is doing, what Japanese yen is doing, what government is doing this, what kind of meetings are they having. You want to go into that, right? And that's the fundamentals. That's going to show you that your technical analysis has to line up with the fundamentals, because if technical analysis don't line up with the fundamentals, your trade can go the opposite way. Now, if your fundamentals are lining up, the technical analysis is lining up, then by all means take that trade and go ahead and make that money, all right? But mindset is the most important thing. Control how you think. Discipline yourself, okay? Wake up in the morning and set up a plan. You should set up a plan every week. All right, so you should have a strategy on not only with trading in the charts, but you should have a strategy on how you live in life. Okay, so if you wake up in the morning at 3 o'clock, wake up in the morning, clean your face, take a shower, do your meditation or your prayer, whatever it is that you do, but make sure that is a routine that you do. And what that's going to do, right? If you start doing things in the run of your day as a routine, then what happens is when you come up with a strategy for trading, it's going to be the routine, and you're going to stick with that routine. Because remember this, we are creatures of habit. Okay, so we have to understand that we have to create a habit of what we're doing. That way we don't deviate from the plan. Because once you start deviating from the plan, then that's when you start messing up. You start making careless mistakes. You start being unbalanced. So mindset is the most important. Get your mind right when it comes to trading. There's a lot of people that's trading, guys. There's a $6.6 trillion market a day, which means there is so much money being generated a day in these markets. If you do not control the way you think, someone else is going to control the way you think. And that's going to be someone like myself, because I'm going to be able to know how you're thinking based off how you're trading. Got it? So make sure that you control the way you think in the market. Control your mindset. That is the most important thing in trading. It's not a strategy. There's 1,000,001 strategies out there. All right, 1,000,001 strategies. There's a bunch of strategies you can back test, and it'll let you know what's going on, and it can work for you. All right, but the key is not to make money today. The key is to make money every day. Consistency. So the only way you can be consistent is you have to come up with a routine on your daily routine. You understand? You have to have a daily routine, and that's how you're gonna strategize yourself when it comes down to structuring and making money in these markets. So make sure a good book that you want to read to kind of control your mind, right? This book right here is a very, very good book. All right, What Am I Here For? What I'm on Earth For? It kind of gives you an idea on certain things and the path that you think that you have. It's a very, very good book. The Ways of a Superior Man. So look for mental awareness books. All right, so look for those type of books. Even go on YouTube. You don't even have to buy books. Look on YouTube or whatever, and just go to. You should be listening to all motivational. All right, to control how you start out thinking, and that's just important. I'm just telling you honest truth. It is important the way you start thinking. All right, so we'll see you guys at the top. The bottom too crowded. We are out of here. See you in the next video.